Welcome to lesson number 8, C sharp major scale. Our main objective is that by the end of the lesson, you are expected to play C sharp major scale across the fretboard. We have already learned the notes on the guitar board, and we realize that C sharp can be found on the second fret of the B string, and then the fourth fret on the A string. We can also get it on the sixth fret on the G string, the sixth fret here. We can also get it on the ninth fret. We can also get it on the 12th fret, and then the 13th fret, 14th fret rather. Okay, so to play C sharp major scale, this time we are going to do like this. You are beginning from this side with your second finger. So your second finger plays C sharp, your first finger plays C, your third finger plays B flat, your first finger plays G sharp, your fourth finger plays F sharp, then your third finger plays F, your first finger plays E flat, and then your fourth finger ends it as C sharp. So let's quickly look at it. So this is the shape. This is how it looks like, the C sharp. So we are starting from the fourth fret on the A string with our fourth finger like this. Then our first finger, our third finger, fourth finger, first finger, third finger, first finger, and then second finger. C sharp major scale involves C sharp, E flat, F, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, C, and then C sharp. So you have to do the practice like this. Let's go. Good. You can also continue from this side and then play C sharp, E flat, F, F sharp, G sharp, then B flat, C, C sharp. So this brings you to the middle of the board like this. So do this: fourth finger, third finger, first finger, fourth finger, second, first, third finger, first finger. So you are going to do this again. You can also play backwards like this. Good. So try and play this, especially this position, work it out with a metronome, and you are through. Now we got something like this. You can also start here with your second finger like this, like how we did with the C. Start with your second finger, then first finger, fourth finger, second finger, fourth finger, third finger, first finger, fourth finger. So it goes like this. Let's play it again. Then you can play backwards up to the sixth fret, C string. Okay, good. That is C sharp major scale. C sharp major scale. So good. You can also begin from this position with your second finger like this. Then you end at the 14th fret. Okay. Good. So I'll advise you to look for a metronome and then use them for your skill practice. Meet you in the next lesson.